how you doing there? Henry Olsen here from Super Simple Guitar, and welcome to another guitar lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning the legendary Beatles tune, Norwegian Wood. So my friends, those of you who have been following me at Super Simple Guitar know that I've been upgrading my gear, and hopefully if you haven't noticed until now you will notice that I'm using 4K cameras with great lenses, and hopefully you can really tell, wow, this is the best quality that I've ever seen Henry's video at. I literally could have bought a custom Les Paul, but instead I decided to make these videos look great so that hopefully when you watch them on your computer, on your TV, it's just super crystal clear. I really care about the quality. So hopefully you can notice that. If not, I'm going to sell all this stuff and go buy a Les Paul. All right, my friends, so let's get into the lesson now. Really quickly, before we do, make sure to go download my picture chord book if you haven't yet. 42 pages, you're going to master the fretboard, all kinds of picture chords in there, and you're also going to get a beginner blues course and a beginner course when you go download that. So check that out, totally for free. And now without further ado, let's get into the close-up. Let's check out this tune. All right, see you at the close-up. See you there. All right, so welcome to the close-up. So basically, the main challenge of this tune is to learn this riff, right? This. Which is a little bit tricky to play, if I'm honest with you, because you got to get your pinky over there. You got to kind of keep that strumming going. But I promise you, if you just kind of go for it, you will get this to flow, okay? So let me show you the melody first, and then we're going to put the melody on top of that chord, okay, to try to kind of make it easy for you. So just try to visualize the melody without the chord first. So I'm starting off on the 2nd fret 3rd string, and I'm playing it twice. 2, 2, then I go into 4, again 3rd string, so 2, 2, 4, 2, open. So all of that happened on the 3rd string now. 2, 2, 4, 2, open. And then it's gonna go up here to the 4th string, 4th fret. Okay, so try to kind of sing along with me, even though I'm a bad singer. 2, 2, 4, 2, open, 4. And now it's the first time that I went and I played it on the 4th string. So one more time. 2, 2, 4, 2, open, 4. Then we're gonna go to the 2nd fret 4th string, play that note, then the open 3rd string, then 4th fret 4th string again, and then the open D. So really slowly. 2, 2, 4, 2, open, 4, 2, open, back here to the 4, open, and then there's this last little walk down. 3rd fret 5th string, 2nd fret 5th string, and then the D again. So really slowly. 2, 2, 4, 2, open, 4. Now on the 4th string, again the 4th string, 2, open, again here, open, little walk down, open. Okay, one more time. Sorry. It's all about getting that timing right too, right? So 2, 2, 4, 2, open, 4, 2, open, 4, open, 3, 2, open, right? Okay, so once you got that under your fingers, watch this video a couple of times, play it with me slowly. It's important to get this stuff into your ear, you know, before you try to go too far. So get it under your fingers, get it into your ear, then go ahead and move forward with me, okay? Okay, so now just imagine playing that same thing while you're holding a D chord. So now for those two first notes, that 2, 2, you could do a strum. 2, strum, strum, right? So because within that strum, we have the melody, right? So strum, strum, and then I have released this note, see? So see that? Boom, bum, boom, bum. And now for this little walk down, you can also play multiple strings. You could choose to accent that bass note a little more if you want. Or you could kind of just do an entire little strummy thing there, okay? So the tricky part is to kind of keep a little strumming going while you are playing that melody, you know? And I can't really talk you through that. Once you know where the notes are and you kind of just go for it, that's how you're going to make that breakthrough, okay? So I'm going to try to play it slowly and then just try to kind of watch how I'm getting through these notes. And then just try to, you know, play with it, right? Okay, so check this out. Another thing, for this first one, there's a hammer-on happening, right? So I wanted to save you that hammer-on. So if the hammer-on is hard, don't do it yet. Just play the melody first. So just go bum, 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 bum. And then once that kind of is settled and feels comfortable, then try to add in that more tricky. Okay? One more time without the hammer on, just so you can see how that would be. Time. Okay, and I promise you, the more you play around with this, the more your right hand is going to automatically kind of figure out what sounds good and get a nice strumming pattern going to that. Okay, I can't walk you through it because it's something that I'm also constantly kind of using my ear to tweak as I play. Okay. So you're going to have to do that on your own. So that's kind of the main riff. And after that, it's super straightforward. It just goes to D minor for 2 bars, into a G, back to D minor, E minor, A, back into the. Okay. All right. I have to be honest with you. I was so excited to try out these cameras. I haven't practiced this to the point that I normally would before a lesson. But I've played it like years ago, so I thought, all right, it'll be okay. So please bear with me. Yeah, that's about that. So kind of for the strumming, if you're not sure about the strumming, it's kind of like this. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Again, not written in stone. The Beatles surely didn't play it the same every time either. But that'll get you through the tune. Okay, you guys like my t-shirt? I decided I'm only going to wear shirts like this from now on. The world is so crazy. I know if I would see somebody walking around with this shirt, I would think, thank God there's a sane person, a sane person that I don't personally know. So I'm going to be that guy that wears shirts like these now from now on. Hopefully spreading some love and some joy into the world. All right, my friends, so I hope that this lesson made sense. Again, play around with it, take it slow. First learn that melody, then slowly try to add the strumming to it, right? And the more you just go for it and fall on your face, because it's not easy to get the strumming down. It's not easy to get clean, to get that strumming and those notes at the same time. It's something I really have to focus on too, right? So don't be hard on yourself. Don't expect it to happen overnight because it won't. But the more you play with it, and it's a very fun tune to play, a very fun exercise, the more you play with it, the better you're going to get. Okay, so be patient, stick with it, and I promise you'll get it. All right, my friends, Henry Olsen here from Super Simple Guitar. I hope you liked this lesson. Many more lessons where this one came from. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Take it easy. Bye-bye.